Here, this is pretty much the home screen of the VPN application. And once you open it, we'll ask you to get connected right away. You can just tap on the OK option here and we'll start connecting to the VPN application in no time. So as you can see here, I'm already connected and pretty much gives you 8 minutes of connection time, which is really crazy. As well, you'll be able to add more connection time, but more than likely be in 5 minutes to pretty much 10 minutes connection time, which is crazy. And if I do go back, I won't be able to select any server, but you can tap on this option here and pretty much disconnect the VPN connection. So as you can see here, it's currently disconnected. You can go at the top here to pretty much select a server, but all of the servers are pretty much United States servers. So it really doesn't make sense that you're going to change the servers when all of these servers are United States. And these servers are not extremely fast. They're moderate speed. They're not super fast. They're decent. So that's really pretty much it for that there. And pretty much can go ahead and add more time. Tap on this option here where it says add more time. And each time you tap on it, as you can see, you do get 3 minutes added time without watching any ads and so forth. But yeah, that's really pretty much it for this application. So if I miss anything at all, just let me know in the comment section. See if you can do. See you in the next one.